Welcome back to English Explorers with Riddima. Today, I want to talk about something deeper than vocabulary and grammar. I want to talk about finding your voice in English, your real, natural way of expressing yourself. So, let's explore this together. Finding your voice in English is not about copying someone else's style. It's about discovering how you naturally think, speak, and connect with the language. Many learners feel pressured to sound like a native speaker, but your strength lies in authenticity, not in imitation. Your voice becomes stronger when you stop worrying about how others speak and start paying attention to how you speak. The rhythms you choose, the words you feel comfortable with, the emotions you express, these shape your unique style. English would feel like a part of you, not something you force. Sometimes you might feel too shy because you think your accent is not perfect or your sentences aren't polished. But accents are beautiful, they show your identity and your journey. And imperfect sentences are simply stepping stones toward improvement. Your voice grows when you allow yourself to speak openly. It grows when you express your opinions, describe your experiences, and share your stories. The more you use your voice, the stronger it becomes. Many learners wait for the right moment to start speaking, but the truth is, the right moment is always now. Start with small conversations, talk about your day, share your thoughts out loud, speak to someone or speak to yourself. What matters is that your voice gets the chance to breathe. You will notice that when you speak without self judgment, your words feel more natural, your ideas become clearer, and slowly English stops being a challenge and becomes a companion, a tool you use comfortably in your daily life. Finding your voice is a personal journey. It requires patience, honesty, and courage. But once you discover it, speak English becomes a powerful and enjoyable experience. Thank you for exploring this topic with me. Your voice matters and your journey in English is unique. Keep speaking, keep discovering, and keep trusting yourself. If you enjoy these reflective English sessions, stay connected. This is Ritma, and you're watching English Explorers. I'll see you in my next episode.